So I have a 2017 Kia Sportage with this connector that this broke off. So apparently they thought that just having at least for this vehicle, a thermostat housing and a place to put a hose is not good enough. They need to put a special quick connect type setup on it. Well, it broke. So, and I didn't see anything on how to undo this in the manual. So you get a pick in here and kind of lift up a little bit, because there's a little tang that's down. You're going to get in there and lift it up, and you can pull this white piece out, and then it's just a kind of a friction fit off. Okay, that's out. Actually, you just push down on this too. At least that's the theory. That's the theory. Had luck the first time. Okay. So I got a new one. It doesn't come with that. So if you're doing this, if you're having the problem I had where this broke off, then you need the white piece. I'd like to see this come off though on the camera. Great. There we go. Yes. So, I don't know if anyone's fighting these or dealing with these yet. I haven't seen anything on YouTube about it, because actually when I ordered this piece, a piece like this, it came without this, so I'm not sure what the deal is. It came ready to accept the hose. So I don't know if there's a transition or what, but there's no TSBs or anything that I found. So that is how to disconnect that connector. It does have a tab guide, so it kind of goes on one way. Let me get down there. Sorry, talking to no one. So there's a tab and that notch. So it goes on one way and just snaps back in place. Snap. And put your thingy back in place. Like that. So I'm going to put my new one together on my new pieces. So I hope this helps somebody out there. 2017 probably, and later. 2018, 2019 Kia. This was a Sportage. The one over here just broke right off for some reason. Got a new one on there. Got to put a white clip in there or something to hold it up.